All right, here with me also is a Toyota Highlander Silver, very clean car. This lovely car is going for 36.5. 36.5 million naira. This Toyota Highlander is yours. All right, here with me also is another Toyota RAV4. Toyota RAV4, very clean Toyota RAV4, gray. This is also going for 26 million naira, 2017 model. 26 million naira, 2017 model. If you need any of these cars, call us on 080 331 28914. Also here with me is a Toyota Avalon. Toyota Avalon, a very clean, lovely car, 2016 model. Let me show you the lovely interior of this one. All right, come with me, guys. This is the lovely milk leather seat interior mixed with black. Seat controls on the steering. The seat is so clean and comfortable. Enough legroom space. Clean dashboard. You can see thumb start, reverse camera, sound system, automatic drive, cup holders, back AC vent. This is the seat. Very clean. Enough legroom space with a sun roof. What else? Let me show you the rear view of this lovely car. The place is very tight. You can't really see. This is the rear view of this Toyota Avalon. It is XLE, Extra Luxury Edition. This car, like I said, this car is going for 24 million naira. 24 million naira, this car is yours. So also we have a red GLK right here. This is a red GLK. Very clean portable car for your cruising. This car is a 2015 model. 2015 going for 24 million naira. Over there we have Lexus ES350. Lexus ES350, 2015 Lexus ES350. This one is going for 24 million naira. 24 million naira, this car is yours. If you need any of these cars, call us on 080 331 28914. Also here we have another Toyota Camry SSE. You can see very clean Toyota Camry 2019 model. Beautiful alloy trim. Take a look at the side. Let me show you the front of the vehicle. This is the front of the lovely car. This one is also going for 31 million naira. This car is yours. All right, so this is Lexus RX 350. Lexus RX 350, black color, 2016 model. This one is going for 41 million naira only. Here we have a Mercedes-Benz GLE 350, 2018 model. Look at the face. This car has a 360-degree reverse camera. This one is also going for 40 million naira. 40 million naira. Here we have a GX 460. Any GX that you're looking for, come right here. We have it. This is a GX 460, blue color, 2018 model. This one is also going for 46 million naira. This car is yours. 46 million naira. Here we have Lexus RX 350, silver color. This is a 2020. Whoa. 2020 Lexus RX 350. This one is also going for 55 million naira. Here we have the Toyota Highlander X. Let me show you. XSE all-wheel drive. Let's see the face shortly. This is the face of the vehicle. Very clean Toyota Highlander with beautiful alloy trim. Let's see the interior. This car comes with an amazing interior. This is the black leather seat interior of this Toyota Highlander. Controls on the steering, thumb start, beautiful seats, very comfortable, clean dashboard, reverse camera, sound system, automatic transmission. This car has dynamic features. You can see the seat so comfortable, clean, enough legroom space, cup holder, third row seat with lights on the roof, and also a sunroof right here. This, like I've showed you the back of the vehicle, this car is XSE, and it is also going for, this Highlander is also going for 55 million naira. 55 million naira. So here with me is a Toyota Camry, red color, very clean Toyota Camry 2018 model. This one is also going for 29.5. 29.5, we can do this one. Giveaway price. Here also is a Toyota Highlander black 2017 model. This car is going for 35 million naira. 35 million naira, 2017 Highlander. Here with me is another 2018 Toyota Highlander. This one is also going for 36 million naira. 36 million naira, this car is yours. So we have another Toyota Highlander, very clean. This is another 2017 model. This one is going for an affordable price. Here we have a 2018 Toyota Highlander, wine color. Let me show you the lovely interior of this other car. This is the lovely interior of this Toyota Highlander. It has the black leather seat interior, very clean, buy and drive, nothing to fix. 2018 model. You can see all the way to the back, very comfortable back, and also it has a sunroof. This car is going for an affordable price. This is the rear view, very clean, XLE, going for an affordable price. So here we have another 2017 Toyota Highlander, very clean, lovely car with a beautiful milk leather interior. This is going for a very affordable price. Here we have a Mercedes-Benz ML350, very clean with a beautiful alloy rim, 2014 model. This is also going for an amazing price. Here we have another 2018 Toyota Highlander with a beautiful milk leather interior. Take a look at the alloy rim. It's going for an affordable price. Here we have a 2017 GX460. This is also going for an affordable price. Here we have 2018 Toyota Sienna, a very clean, lovely car. Take a look at it, very clean, buy and drive. Let me show you the interior of this lovely car, 2018 model. This is the lovely interior of this car, buy and drive. Clean interior, clean dashboard. You can see clean seats. Everything is clean. Reverse camera, sound system, automatic drive, cup holders, good sound system. This is a comfortable back seat view, so clean and spacious. You can use it for public vehicle. Third row seat there, and also with sunroof, AC vent on the roofs. This car is buy and drive. This is the rear view. You may not see it. It is parked closely to the wall. You may not see it very well. This car is going for an affordable price. Here with me also is a 2016 GX460. A 2016 GX460 going for an affordable price also. Here with me is a 2012 GX460 going for an affordable price, nothing to fix. Here with me also is a 2013 Toyota Venza going for an affordable price. Here with me also is a 2016 Toyota 4Runner, very clean, buy and drive. It's also going for an affordable price. Here with me is a 2008 Toyota Highlander limited edition, going for an affordable price. Any car that you want, right here, we have it available. We also have cars outside. The place is already filled up. We have more cars. You can't see your dream cars right here. We have it available. Give us a call at Murad Autos. We are here to give you the best. Let me show you more cars outside. Let's go. I'm walking you through. Outside also, we have cars, trucks, name them, SUVs, sedans vehicles, Mercedes, name your choice. We have them. Also, this is the ES350 2015 model Lexus ES350. Buy and drive, nothing to fix, going for an affordable price. Here with me is a 2016 Toyota Avalon, clean, lovely car. This is also going for an affordable price. Come and buy. Another 2017 Toyota Highlander. Let's see how the interior of this Highlander looks like. This is the lovely interior of this Toyota Highlander. You can see controls on the steering, thermostat, see, buy and drive, clean dashboard, reverse camera, sound system, factory fitted AC, all the way to the back. So comfortable and clean, with a sun roof also. This is the review, XLE Extra Luxury Edition. This one is going for an affordable price. Here we have a newly arrived Mercedes-Benz GLC 300. This is it. GLC 300, very clean, new, arrived. This one is also going for an affordable price, 2016 model. Also, we have another 2016 Mercedes-Benz. This is C300 Formatic, a very clean, lovely car, newly arrived also. Is also going for an affordable price. So we have so many cars. Our cars are parked everywhere on the road. Just come and buy from us. What are you buying from us? This is also a Toyota Tacoma, newly arrived. They are yet to wash it and make it look clean. This is also a GX460, newly arrived. You can see here we have also Toyota Tacomas. We have different Tacomas. We have the 2018, we have the 2017 Toyota Tacomas, beautiful alloy rims. All these cars are accident-free cars. Buy and drive, nothing to fix. This is white, and that's red. Anyone you're looking for, we have them available. We even have them across the road. You can see them right there. That's the blue color, the black color. Anyone you want, we have the Toyota product here stocked up. So what are you buying from us?
My name is Mr. Boniface. I am the manager at Murad Autos Limited. If you need any of these cars, call us on 080 331 28914. 080 331 28914. And our office is located at number 10 Rumola Link Road, Port Harcourt, Rivers State, Nigeria.